Want to analyze large data in seconds? Pivot tables are your secret weapon in Excel. Whether you are tracking sales, summarizing data, or finding insight, this tutorial will make pivot tables easy for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Data Trail. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in Excel, pivot table. If you ever felt overwhelmed by large dataset or struggled to summarize information, then this video is for you. First, let's talk about what is a pivot table. A pivot table is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to summarize, analyze, and present large amounts of data in a meaningful way. It's perfect for answering questions like what are the total sales by region? How many units did each product sell? What is the average sales per month? The best part, you don't need to write complex formulas. Pivot tables do the heavy lifting for you. To show you how this works, let's use an example. Here's a dataset of sales transaction. It includes columns like date, region, product, salesperson, unit sold, and revenue. Our goal is to analyze this data using pivot table. Let's create one. First, select your data. Click anywhere inside your dataset and go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. This dialog box will appear. Excel will automatically detect the range of your data. Make sure New Worksheet is selected and click OK. Now you will see a blank pivot table and a field list on the right. This is where the magic happens. The field list shows all the columns from your dataset. Let's say we want to answer what is the total revenue by region. To do this, drag the region to the rows area and drag revenue to the values. And just like that, Excel calculates the total revenue for each region. Now let's make it even more insightful. Now what if we want to see the revenue by region and by product? Simply drag the product to the column area. Now the pivot table breaks down revenue by region and product. Amazing, right? Now let's add a filter. Suppose we only want to see data for a specific salesperson. Drag the salesperson to the filters area. Now you can use drop down at the top to filter data by any salesperson. Like if you want to see Emily's sales, we can just click on Emily and we will get Emily's sales. Similarly for John's. This is a great way to focus on specific parts of your dataset. Now let's click on all. Now wanna make it look good? Let's select our data, right click, format cells, and we will select currency without decimal places. Now click anywhere on pivot table, go to design, and you can select your own pivot table styles from here. Let's go with this one. Now want a visual representation of your data? Click on pivot table analyze, click on pivot chart, and you can add a bar, pie, or line chart. Let's add this bar chart, and voila. Now let's recap what we have done. We have created a pivot table from a dataset. We have summarized revenue by region and product. We have added a filter to focus on specific salesperson. We have formatted the data to make it visually appealing. And all of this took just a few clicks. Pivot tables are incredibly versatile. You can use them to analyze almost any type of data. Sales, expenses, survey, results, you name it. The key is to experiment and play around with the fields to get the insights you need. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Data Trail for more Excel tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.